see is just here hanging out at the SEMA setup for Kanati Tires. Awesome to see.
Okay, so we're down here at SEMA displaying our new build on JL1 that we wrecked, filming some YouTube footage. We had to do a complete rebuild in the less than 3 months roughly to get it rebuilt here on display in the Kanati Tire booth. And we had to do complete everything, frame up. So the frame had to be straightened. We had to go through a new tub, new hood, new fenders, new custom roll cage, new seating. You know, everything was pretty much destroyed from the wreck. So we've got new Kanati tires, new method wheels, a lot of new Baja design lighting on it, PRP seats, harnesses, all the safety gear that we were a little shy on the first time. But yeah, we're gonna give it a walk around and check it out. So we kept the factory dash, factory plastics everywhere we could, custom cage, new airbag, the new seating, all PRP seats, PRP harnesses, new flush mount tail lights from Combat, they're pretty sweet. Terraflex tire carrier on there, chase light from Baja. Lights in the bumper we added, same bumper, we got a new front bumper and fenders from Rugged Ridge. Did full plastic delete in the back. The OE so that the new cage didn't look out of place, trying to reuse the factory plastics in that portion of it. All carpet, give it a nice OE fill in there. Shock suspension all stayed the same. We just had to clean everything up. Didn't find much damage in the frame. Everything was ready to roll there, just cleaned it up. Troy's Custom Auto Body and Paint in Ivins, Utah did all the new paint work, full underside, interior, and color change on the exterior. Tons of Baja lights on it, in case we're scared of the dark. Same Warren winch we were running before, new Factor 55 setup on there, new steering. Dynatrack, we had to replace the front axle housing. It got twisted up pretty bad in the crash. So Dynatrack sent us a new one. We got it all bracketed up and rebuilt, ready to go. Motor-wise, everything was good. No major damage under there, so.
I'm BC Bach from Kanati Tires here, and we're a proud partner with Dixie 4-wheel drive, St. George, Utah. I've been with Kanati a couple years ago, and one of my first events with Kanati was at an event in St. George, and got to know Bryce and the boys, and they helped guide me. And it turns out they run Kanati, I guess, because probably their connection with Corey Ellis, but then when you get into it and get to know them, I asked them what they love about the tires, and they said the price point, the grip is incredible, the tires hold up, sidewall strength is there for them, and they love the tires. You know, Kanati is part of Greenwall Corporation, which is a family-owned company out of Anaheim, California. It's not a discount tire company, even though the price point's low. The company doesn't spend millions of dollars on marketing and employees, so they're able to keep the price point down. And the word's finally getting out. We're doing a lot of these events, and I'm having more and more people talk about how they're hearing great reviews on these Kanati tires, and I'm happy to hand them my card, and they give me a call, and they try them out, and just had a customer show up right now saying he loves those tire commanders. Yes. I'm super proud to have the Mud Hog on this build. Seeing what this Jeep went through the last 3 months. I don't know what I'm supposed to say or what I'm not supposed to say, so I'll keep it tight.